Hello everyone, welcome back again to my video. So this is early morning vlog. Okay, so today is a school day. Okay, so I woke up very early as 5:30 a.m. So I cook rice. After cooking rice, I have a stew in the freezer. So after that, I proceed in dishing food lunch for my kids. Okay, so my kids are already bathed. When I wake up early in the morning, I'll first of all bathe my kids. So after bathing them, I'll proceed to the kitchen to make lunch for them. So after the lunch, I will go and wake them up and give them breakfast. Then the next thing is to zoom off to school. Okay, so right now we're going downstairs to go and enter motor. Okay, yeah, their daddy will be carrying them to school. So after I drop their lunch bag and putting them inside car, so they will be going with daddy. Okay, so that is it. Like early in the morning, if daddy is not busy or maybe daddy didn't quick go to work, he will be the one to drop my kids for me. So on this day I made okra soup, so let me allow you to watch this. So this is another day, evening time. So I made stew. Okay, so I made stew and I added ogo vegetables. So this is really packing the soup. So after packing it, I'm going to put the soup inside freezer. So the next video you're about to watch now is video of me and my son playing game. Yeah, if you are watching our shorts, we know that most times we do game. I do game with my son. So watch. Okay.
Where is the egg? Where's the egg? Who found it? No eggs. Can you? Have you got it? No. Let's go. What? No! Hey, the best one for me to get it. Yeah. Oh my God.
Also das will ich nicht. Ah.
Hello lovers, welcome back again to my video. Join me in today's morning vlog. For my kids lunch, I will be making porridge yam. So here I'm done preparing the porridge now. So I am packing it now, putting it inside my kids' lunch bag. So right now I want to pray for my kids. I'm praying for my kids. So after praying for them, I'm going to escort them downstairs. Yeah, so I'm going to escort them downstairs. Daddy will also be dropping them today. So when we came back, my son was crying because each time my older kids left for school, this my baby will be crying that he wants to follow him. I've told him to exercise patience. November is no longer far. November he's going to join them. So when he was crying, I pet him. After that I went to bat him. After batting him, um I fed him. So after that he forget that he was crying to follow his siblings. So now he's happy. So thank you guys for watching. I do not take your love for granted. Thank you all that are supporting me in one way or the other. God bless you, and don't forget, God bless you. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, click on the subscribe button to subscribe, like, and drop your comments.